In this video, we will show you how to replace your lower engine splash shield on this Toyota Sienna. This will be located under your front bumper. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Safely raise and support the vehicle so you can make your way under the front. Now from underneath the vehicle, we're going to have to remove this lower panel. To remove that, we'll start along each side. You have this small splash guard here. This is held in place with a push clip and several 10mm headed mounting bolts. We'll start removing these. As I mentioned, there should be a push clip holding this in over here. Now, of course, we're going to be doing the same on the other side. We'll make our way over. Got our push clip up in here. This one just tugs right out. Now let's continue on with some push clips. We'll be using our trim tool. Along the back side, you'll have two push clips holding this in place. We'll just pop those right out of there. Now we can make our way towards the center of this trim panel. You'll find that you have 4 more push clips. Push clips do come in different shapes and sizes. On these ones in particular, we're going to push in the center to unlock it. And then we can remove that. We'll make sure we're holding onto that plate while we finish removing this one, and we can set this aside. Now we can get our lower engine splash shield in place. So there's one here. There we are. Let's make our way towards the rear. We have our larger push clips. Now we'll make our way across the front. Now, as we make our way towards each one of the corner pieces here, you're going to have to align several areas. The bumper cover itself does have a mounting port. Of course, this shield has its mounting point as well, but then you have the wheel well, which also has a mounting hole. We'll make sure that we stack each one of these so each one of the mounting holes is properly aligned. This one here. Let's get our push clip in here. Now we can snug these up. Do the exact same thing on the opposite side of the vehicle. Okay friend, we've got our vehicle back together. At this point, you want to go ahead and take your vehicle for a road test and listen for funny noises. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.